The brass hose tap connector has the quick-on snap-on connectors ready for your normal hose. Do not substitute with any other fittings, as the thread on the brass fitting is USA thread. The brass hose tap connector is used for tap timers. If you're not using a hose, or you want to connect some pipe to here to go down to the retic system, so you connect your valves, and it's fitted with adapters from US to Australian threads. Brass tap connector for your hose link fittings. So again, from US to Australian connections. PVC hose tap connector 20mm with ball valve is used when you want to use a tap timer, or you want to connect pipe that goes into the ground before the valves. This is off your brass normal tap. Our hose links fittings are for our brass EZ-FLOs only. They've got US threads to hose link. This hose link fittings fit our brass connector.